Why do Japanese elders sleep so deeply while we stare at the ceiling all night long?
Insomnia and joint pain are not normal parts of aging, but symptoms of a stiff body. The
These 5 movements trigger your body's natural healing mode, repairing damage while you dream peacefully away.
The best part is that you do not even need to leave your warm, comfortable bed.
In Japan, preparing the body for sleep is considered just as important as the sleep itself.
During the day, gravity pulls fluids down into your legs, causing swelling and painful, heavy ankles.
If you go to sleep stiff, inflammation settles into your joints like concrete hardening overnight quickly.
But a few minutes of gentle movement can flush these toxins out and reset your system. It also signals your nervous system that the day is over, allowing for instant, deep sleep.
The first movement targets the circulation in your feet and prevents those painful nighttime cramps.
Lie on your back and simply pump your ankles up and down rhythmically like a lever.
You will feel the heaviness leaving your legs, replaced by a light and tingling sensation instantly.
The second movement is a miracle cure for lower back pain and stiffness in the hips.
Gently pull both knees toward your chest and wrap your arms around them like a hug.
This creates a gentle curve in your spine, releasing the pressure built up from standing all day.
Rock gently from side to side to give your lower back muscles a soothing self-massage.
It opens up the spaces between your vertebrae, allowing your spinal discs to rehydrate overnight naturally.
Exhale deeply as you squeeze, pushing all the stale air and tension out of your lungs. The third movement unlocks the hips and aids digestion, which is crucial for a restful night.
Keep your knees bent and let them fall gently to the left and then the right.
This twisting motion massages your internal organs, helping your last meal digest smoothly while you rest.
It lubricates the ball and socket joint of the hip, preventing stiffness when you wake up.
You will find that your hips feel loose and free rather than tight, painful, and locked.
The fourth movement opens the chest and shoulders, countering the hunched posture we hold all day.
Reach your arms above your head and point your toes down, stretching your entire body long.
This expands your rib cage and allows you to take the deepest breath you have taken today.
It resets your shoulder blades into their correct position, preventing morning neck pain and stiff shoulders.
Animals instinctively stretch before sleeping to realign their bodies, and you should do the same daily. Feel every muscle in your body letting go of tension, becoming soft and ready for rest. The final movement is not physical but internal, designed to shut off your busy, racing mind. Place your hands on your belly and focus entirely on the rise and fall of breathing.
This stimulates the vagus nerve, which tells your brain that it is safe to sleep now. Your heart rate will slow down, and your blood pressure will drop to a healthy level.
Within minutes, you will drift into a slumber so deep that you will not wake up.
Here is a bonus tip that Japanese elders use to support their bodies even while sleeping. Place a pillow under your knees to relieve strain on your lower back while you sleep.
This small adjustment aligns your spine perfectly, preventing that morning stiffness we all dread so much. Imagine waking up tomorrow with zero pain, feeling full of energy and ready for the day.
The secret results come from consistency, and you must perform these 5 movements every single night without fail.
Teach this routine to your partner so you can both enjoy the benefits of healthy sleep.
Ensure your room is dark and cool, creating the perfect sanctuary for your body to heal.
Put your phone away before you start. Blue light destroys the melatonin you need for sleep. Checking your phone stimulates the brain and undoes all the relaxation work you have just done.
A cup of chamomile tea before this routine can enhance the relaxation effects even more significantly.
In Japan, rest is respected as a discipline, not seen as laziness or a waste of time.
Think of sleep as charging your battery. You want to reach 100% every morning.
Deep sleep is when your immune system hunts down viruses and cancer cells to destroy them.
It is also when collagen is produced, meaning better sleep equals younger-looking skin for you.
If you win the night, you win the next day, and your energy levels will prove it.
Why rely on sleeping pills with side effects when you can use your body's natural medicine?
These movements are free, safe, and effective, unlike the dangerous chemical options at the local pharmacy.
Let us quickly recap the 5 movements so you can remember them perfectly for tonight's sleep.
First, pump your ankles to flush out fluids and improve circulation in your tired lower legs. Second, hug your knees to decompress your spine and massage the tightness out of your back. Third, drop your knees side to side to loosen hips and aid your digestive system significantly. Fourth, stretch your entire body long to open your chest and reset your posture for sleep. Fifth, breathe deeply into your belly to calm your mind and drift off into peaceful dreams.
It creates a bond of peace between you and your body that lasts for a lifetime.
Whether you are 60, 70, or 90, your body will respond positively to this gentle care.
Many seniors report that their chronic pain disappeared after just 1 week of doing this routine.
Imagine living a life where pain does not dictate what you can and cannot do daily. You will have the energy to play with your grandchildren and enjoy your retirement to the fullest.
Make a commitment right now that you will prioritize your sleep and your health starting tonight.
Your body is the only place you have to live, so treat it with absolute respect.
Keep a journal of how you sleep.
Remember that motion is life, even when you are preparing for the stillness of deep sleep.
You can listen to soft music while you do this to enhance the peaceful atmosphere further.
Do not keep this secret to yourself. Share it with everyone who struggles with sleep issues.
Sleep is the foundation of health, and you have just learned how to master it completely. You will finally get those 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep that doctors always recommend for good health.
While you sleep, your brain literally washes itself clean of the plaque that causes Alzheimer's disease.
This is not just comfort, it is powerful prevention against the most terrifying diseases of aging.
Stand tall tomorrow, knowing you have done something amazing for your body and your future health. As the world sleeps, you will be healing, growing stronger and younger with every single breath.
Will you try this Japanese bedtime routine tonight? Or will you accept another night of pain?
Tell me in the comments if you have trouble sleeping and if you will try this.
If this video helped you, please click the like button to support our mission of health.
Subscribe to the channel so you never miss these vital secrets to longevity and senior health.
Watch our next video on the Japanese morning routine to complete your cycle of daily health.
I am Charon, and I wish you the most peaceful and restorative sleep of your life.
Good night, sleep well, and remember that your health is always worth the effort you put in.
May your dreams be sweet and your body wake up healed and ready for new adventures.